Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how to cite, reference an issue from the Sociological Review resource. Once you're on the article of interest that you wish to cite reference, using the previous video as example, generally speaking, people are in it for cycling and the beer. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a cite button next to the share and request permissions buttons. Once you click on the cite button, a pop-up menu will appear on the middle of the screen with the article cited referenced in an AMA style format. If you just click on AMA, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a number of other styles such as APA, Chicago, MLA and Harvard. Just select Harvard and you'll notice that the reference style will change automatically. To copy this reference, simply just click on the Copy to Clipboard button and then finally paste it into your assignment.